Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today on Solvetic, we will see how to see Ping Fortnite. Open Fortnite. When doing so, press the escape key. In doing so, click on the gear icon. Then go to the menu, Game IU. Locate the line, Network Debug Stats. You will set the value to on. Click on Apply. When you return to Fortnite, you can see the ping at the top. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.